everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where learning English is fun, simple, and natural. My name is Sarah.
And I am Lucas. Welcome back, friends. We are super happy to see you here again.
Yes, and before we start today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and share this video with anyone who is learning English. It helps the channel a lot.
A lot, so thank you for supporting us. And today, oh wow, we have a delicious topic.
Yes, we do. Today, we are talking about food.
Food is one of the easiest topics for learners, and one of the most fun. Everyone eats, everyone has favorite foods, everyone has foods they don't like, and food is a big part of culture.
Exactly. Today, we will talk about everyday food, cultural food, cooking, eating out, healthy food, everything. A big conversation to help English learners talk confidently about food.
So Sarah, are you ready?
I'm ready and hungry.
Let's start.
Okay, Lucas, let's start with something simple. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Breakfast. In Brazil, breakfast is simple. Usually I eat bread with butter, sometimes fruit, sometimes coffee with milk. Nothing too heavy.
That's interesting. In Canada, breakfast depends on the day. On busy days, I eat something fast. Maybe yogurt, granola, or a banana.
Healthy.
Yes, but on the weekend, I love pancakes with maple syrup.
Ah, maple syrup, the pride of Canada.
Yes, sweet, delicious, and very Canadian.
So, do you always eat breakfast?
Yes, I always try. If I don't eat breakfast, I feel tired. What about you?
Same. Breakfast gives me energy. And it's easy to talk about breakfast in English. I eat bread. I drink coffee. I have eggs. Simple sentences.
Exactly! That's why this topic is perfect for beginners.
Lunch is very important in Brazil. It's usually the biggest meal of the day. We often eat rice, beans, salad, and meat. This is very Brazilian.
Rice and beans every day?
Many families, yes. It's cheap, healthy, and delicious.
In Canada, lunch is usually smaller. Many people eat sandwiches, salads, or soup. Something fast because people work and don't have a long lunch break.
Ah, yes. In Brazil, people usually have 1 hour or even more.
I wish. In Canada, sometimes lunch is 30 minutes.
That's super fast.
What about dinner, Lucas?
Dinner in Brazil is lighter than lunch. Maybe soup, maybe sandwiches, maybe leftovers from lunch.
In Canada, dinner is the largest meal for many families. People sit together, eat together, talk together.
What do Canadians usually eat?
Good question. Poutine is very Canadian. French fries with cheese and gravy.
I love poutine. Heavy but delicious.
Yes. Another Canadian dish is butter tarts, sweet pastry with sugar filling.
And, of course, maple syrup.
Of course, Canadians put maple syrup on many things. Pancakes, waffles, sometimes even bacon.
Bacon with syrup?
Yes! Sweet and salty. Many people love it.
Interesting. In Brazil, one special food is feijoada, black beans with pork, served with rice, cabbage, and orange slices.
I tried it once. Amazing.
Also, coxinha, a fried dough ball with chicken inside.
Oh, yes. I had that in Sao Paulo. So good.
And for dessert, we have brigadeiro, chocolate balls made with condensed milk.
Brigadeiro might be the best dessert in the world. Not joking. Lucas, what is your number one favorite food?
Easy. Lasagna. I could eat lasagna every day.
Oh, I love lasagna too. But I think my favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. Fancy.
Not really. It's just so fresh and clean, light and tasty.
True. I like sushi too. What about your comfort food?
Comfort food is food that makes you feel cozy and happy. For me, mac and cheese.
Ah, yes. Classic comfort food.
What's your comfort food?
Rice and beans. It's simple, but it reminds me of home and family.
Now, the interesting part. What foods do you not like?
Okay, please don't get angry. I don't like blue cheese.
I understand. A very strong smell.
Yes, too strong for me. What about you? What food don't you like?
Hmm. I don't like very spicy food. I can eat a little spice, but not too much.
So, no spicy Indian food for you?
Only mild, not crazy hot.
Do you cook at home, Sarah?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I enjoy it. It's relaxing.
Nice. I cook too. Nothing too fancy, but I try.
What do you cook the best?
Pasta. Pasta is easy, but I make good sauce.
That's a useful skill.
What do you cook the best?
Salmon with vegetables. I love making healthy meals.
Let's give our learners a small vocabulary list.
Yes. Here are 10 simple food words you must know. 1. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. 2. Lunch, the midday meal. 3. Dinner, the evening meal. 4. Snack, small food between meals. 5. Sweet, sugary taste. 6. Salty, food with salt. 7. Spicy, hot flavor. 8. Healthy, good for your body. 9. Recipe, instructions for cooking. 10. Dessert, sweet food after a meal.
Try to use these in a sentence. It helps a lot.
Now let's practice. Repeat after us.
What do you like to eat?
I like pasta.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook every day.
What food don't you like?
I don't like spicy food. Wow, we talked about so many things today. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, Brazilian food, Canadian food, favorites, dislikes, everything.
Yes, food is a perfect topic to practice English. It is simple, fun, and everyone can talk about it.
Now we want to hear from you.
Question of the day. What is your favorite food? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching Let's Talk in English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with anyone learning English.
Stay safe, keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye,
Bye, everyone.
everyone.